Guys, today we NVEA would like to address to the 11th class student. Guys, if you belong to English medium, if you belong to CBSE board, if you follow NCERT patterns, and guys, if you study in the KV and Navodaya schools, and if you are a weak student in the accountancy streams, if you face many challenges in the accountancy streams, then guys, you don't require to worry, because we NVEA today we have provided a new segment in the accountancy stream. Guys, today we have provided a accountancy workbook for the 11th class student. Guys, if you try, if you study of this book, then you can get the best marks in the forthcoming examinations. Guys, this book is right now available in the Hindi and English segments, and this is absolutely free of cost. Guys, if you want to avail this book, then you can log in at our official website, whose official URL link is www.navia.in. And guys, you can contact at our helpline number, which is 09414008310. Thank you so much guys, all the best.